Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add products to a featured collection in your Shopify store. Featured collections are a great way to highlight your best products on the homepage and make them more visible to your customers. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, click on Products and add your products to a collection. Simply select the product you want, click on the three dots, and then click Add to Collections. Continue from there. We can add this to the homepage. Once it is on the homepage, we can click here to view it on the website. We have now been taken to our collections. To view it, go to Online Store. We will select the theme. In here, as you can see, we can edit this feature. We can add subtitles and search for what we need. Here is our featured collection. We just need to click on it. Configure the settings as needed. We can use the left panel or go directly to the collection title. We can change the collection title and even rename it to Featured. Once we are done, simply click Save. And that's it. That's how we add products to a featured collection in Shopify. This helps showcase top products, grab attention, and improve the overall shopping experience in our store.